To enable or disable high contrast fonts in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up button home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap visibility enhancement. To enable high contrast fonts, tap switch until low, or to disable, tap switch until white. Adjust the color and outline of fonts to make them stand out. Okay, you can see. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.